Most developers generate passwords like this, Math.random, and they think it's secure. It's not. If you're building real applications, this is a big mistake. Today, I'll show you how to build a secure password generator API using Node.js and crypto the right way. Open your terminal. Run npm init-y npm install express. That's it. We don't install any password libraries because we're building it ourselves. Now import Express and crypto. Explain. Express handles our server. Crypto is built into Node and gives us secure random numbers. And secure means unpredictable, not fake randomness. Now we build the core logic. We create a function called generatePassword. It takes one parameter, length. By default, it's 15 characters. Why 15? Because 8 is weak, 12 is decent, 15 is strong. Character sets. We define 4 character groups: uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, symbols. We combine them into one big string called allchars. This is the full pool of allowed characters. Guaranteeing complexity. Now here's something important. If we just randomly pick characters from all chars, there's a chance we don't include numbers or symbols. That's bad. So first, we manually add 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, 1 symbol, using crypto.randomInt. Crypto.randomInt generates a secure random index. Then we use that index to select a character. This guarantees complexity. No weak passwords allowed. Filling the rest. After adding 4 guaranteed characters, we fill the remaining characters using a loop. We randomly select from the full character pool until we reach the desired length. Simple, clean, logical, shuffling. Now here's a small improvement. If we return the password like this, the first 4 characters will always follow the same pattern: upper, lower, number, symbol. That's predictable. So we shuffle the password. We split it into an array, sort randomly, join it back. Now the order is unpredictable. Now let's expose it through an endpoint. Get/API/password. Inside the route, we call generatePassword with 15, then return it as JSON, password, and its length. That's it. Clean REST API. Now we start the server. App.listen. On port, think of the port like a door. Inside app.listen, we pass 2 things: the port number and a callback function. This function runs when the server successfully starts, and we log a simple message: server running on port 3000. Start the server. Node server.js. Open the browser. Go to localhost:3000/API/password. Refresh. New password. Refresh again. New password.
Each time, secure and random. And that's how you build a secure password generator API in Node.js. No external libraries, no fake randomness.
Just clean backend logic. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you want a version where the user chooses the length dynamically, comment upgrade. I'll build it in the next video.